Yeah, I gotta take those off. Just gotta go around spot putting stuff. Maybe sand a little more. Got a real nasty high spot right there. A little more sanding. The worst of it, hate sanding. Gotta pop off that emblem and sand there too. And that's it. I'm not gonna be able to. I already know I can't find a place to paint, but I guess I could primer. But now all the leaves are falling too. So I don't know when I could primer either. Let's see what happens. Guys, avoid using these crappy ass putty knives. I don't have a paint store. All I got is AutoZone here. Or Ace Hardware. I gotta use what I could use. AutoZone should sell more body stuff, but that's AutoZone. They actually have the stuff you don't want to use, like these piece of shit spreaders. Are you getting leaves on that? Crappy ass spreader. No flex. Just makes it harder for when it's time to sand. These are from door dings at the stores. Here's what I use. Use a cutting board from the kitchen. No, I don't use it to cook anymore. I just buy those for $1. Could re-sand it, smooth again, and I use that for my Bondo spreading. Little handle, love it. Started filing that one down. Low spot. There's a lot of little cracks in the clear there, so it's my ghetto glaze. It works. Still had some low spots there. The Walmart ding, that's what I call that. No one knows how to freaking park at Walmart. And a lot of sanding to do right there. That did its job. Gotta use a lot of it though. I wish I could buy some glaze, but no stores again. No stores. I got them all though. I don't know if you can I got all those. I'm just gonna Scotch-Brite the bumper, both bumpers. Second time around I found a lot more shit. The roof was the worst one. That was my major dent. Call that good. Just gotta get the emblems off. I'll sand it down, spot puttied. Oh no, I didn't do the back grill. The roll pan, and that could be lost. At least it's a nice day for a car wash. Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, pretty much done with the body work. Just want to show you how far I got on it. I still got to take the badges and sand behind those, and I'm going to Scotch-Brite that. I'm going to Scotch-Brite the roll pan. I need one of those. I need one of those. Anybody? Oops, I forgot one spot. Forgot one. Did the roof. Oh, the sign ain't lit up. Anyways, there it is. It's ready for primer.